Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I am here to do hashtag Fall Flowers and Critters 2026, hosted by Jamie over at a Poetspice. She's our hostess, and I'll have her link and everybody's link down below, down below, so everybody can go check them out and see what they've created this month. So this month I was digging through, I have this little container full of this and that. Um, and I don't know where I got these things, but I've had it in my stash for years now. Look at that one with the cute little overalls. And then I have these little purses. I used this on something before. And then, so I have quite a bit of them. I wanted to use them up. And so I was inspired by Kim over at Kim Impossible. And she is part of this open collab as well. And I think one of her shares was 3x3 cards. And it's been a while since I've made 3x3 cards. And I also used my mini envelope punch board. It's been a while, and I was so glad I was able to use that. And these are my cards. This is the paper I used. I think this is it from Recollections? I'm not sure. But I added this cute little bear, and it had foam adhesive in the back, and I just love how it sparkles. It has like glitter, and it has this silver bow and the heart. I love this teddy bear. And I added more of that paper. And I don't know what kind of cards these are. It might be, to send in happy mail or something like that. And they're all the same. I had 3 of them, so I made 3 little mini cards and envelopes. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. I just love how these turned out. So adorable. So, and then I added some paper to the envelope as well. And I can put their name or, or I can put their name. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you, Jamie, for this open collaboration. And yay, I'm on time, and I'll be posting this on Wednesday at 10 a.m. So come and check it out. And thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.